Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some Chrome not opening on Windows 11, 10, 8 or a 7, so in any window. So how to fix Chrome not opening. So let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all you can check a date and time. If date and time is wrong, then you can set a date and time. So in my case is date and time is set automatically. So if your date and time is wrong, then turn off automatically and set a date and time manually. So after set a date and time, restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that select a icon of Google Chrome, right click, click on show more, go to your properties. Now click on open file question. Now you can see that is name of the Chrome. So after doing this step, copy and paste it. Sorry, right click, rename it and set a name is Chrome and any other name. So when click on it, then open it at double click. When it's working, then right click, go to your more option and send to your desktop shortcuts. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, the type of command is netsh space winsock space reset. After that, press enter. Now after doing this step, you can see that your computer required a restart your computer, your PC. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Next method is data. Go to your control panel, go to your uninstall a program, and after doing these steps, find out a Windows, sorry, Google Chrome. Now here is the Google Chrome. Select it and uninstall uninstall it. After uninstalling that, reinstall in your PC, and I'm sure that after reinstalling that, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.